Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to send a video straight from your phone's gallery using Messenger, you're in the right place. Whether you want to share a funny moment, a special memory, or just keep your friends updated, sending videos is super easy. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. You'll see all your recent conversations right there on the home screen. If you know exactly who you want to send the video to, just tap their chat. If not, use the search bar at the top and type in their name to find them quickly. Once you're inside the chat, look for the photo icon. It's usually right next to the text box where you type your messages. Tap on this icon and your phone's gallery will pop up, showing all your recent photos and videos. Now scroll through your gallery and find the video you want to send. You can tap on the video to preview it and make sure it's the right one. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on the video to select it. After you've selected your video, you'll see a preview at the bottom of your screen. This is your chance to double-check everything before sending. If you want, you can add a caption or a message to go along with your video by typing in the text box. When you're ready, look for the Send button. It's usually a blue circle with a paper plane icon. Tap Send, and just like that, your video will be on its way. That's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can share any video from your gallery with friends and family on Messenger. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!